Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to change your furnace filter. So by the way, during the winter usually you change these, and then once again you do it, usually depends, you might have to change it a lot more, usually during springtime. So first of all, you gotta find your filter. So here is my furnace. You guys might have your water tank beside it, but this is the furnace. You have to look below, and then you're gonna see this. So just keep looking down. On the side, you might see your filter. So right here, kind of hidden, but not really. There it is. And that's how you know which filter. It's not just any filter. What you gotta look for is the numbers on your filter, and buy the exact same one, okay? Doesn't have to be the same brand, just the numbers, 14, 25, 1. So that's for my filter. Your filter could be a lot bigger, a lot smaller. Actually, not smaller, just bigger. And that's how it looks like. So what you guys need to do is just take it out. So it's very easy. If it's a little bit stuck in there, just keep pulling it out so it comes out the whole way. Look at this arrow as well. So just make sure that's how that airflow goes. Oh, here we go. Let's pull it out until it comes out. So once you take it out, so here it is. Just notice where the airflow goes. And that's because when you put in your new filter, you need to know that. Now, you guys can see this filter is pretty much done for. And if you don't see that airflow thing on your old filter, all you guys have to notice is this is your furnace. This is where air comes in. And then this is where the air comes out. So the airflow is this way. So it sucks in air from here until there, and then it pumps it out this way. So that's the airflow. Another way to take a look at it, if you open this up, you guys can actually see it. It's good to open it up once in a while and just clean it up from dust. It has quite a bit of dust in there usually. And then you guys can see how the airflow goes, just because of the vent that you will see in there. So don't be afraid of taking this apart. If you guys want to, you definitely don't have to. And then your new filter will go in here. So some filters will tell you this, that the wire side should be facing the furnace fan. That makes it easier for those of you who don't know how the flow goes in your furnace, because it can get confusing, definitely. So with this one, it's a little bit easier because I know my fan is here. And if you guys have something similar, your fan will be in there. Your fan is never gonna be in there, okay? And you guys can actually see that. So if you guys take a peek here, just inside, take a flashlight, you're gonna notice there's no fan in there, okay? So in here, there's no fan, but the fan is here. So again, this is telling us that this side will be facing the fan's right here. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put it here and just slide it in. And it's just gonna slide in like so. And there you go, that's it. So that's all you guys had to do. Now here's my old filter so you guys can see it. This is the new one. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.